आज मी तुम्हाला अत्यंत महत्त्वाची माहिती सांगणार आहे. 24 तास आपल्या अवतीभोवती असणारे झाडांची माहिती. मित्रांनो, झाड आपल्याला सावली देतो, फळे देतो, फुले देतो, औषधही देतो. म्हणून झाडांची काळजी घेणे ही गरजेचे आहे. झाडाला मोडू नका, पाणी घाला, फक्त वाळलेल्या फांद्या इंधनासाठी वापरा. झाड मोडून पडले तर दुसरे झाड लगेच लावले पाहिजे.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arya. I am studying in 4th C. My school name is Jawahar Vidya Bhavan English Primary. My teacher name is Miss Ahire. My topic name is about plants. Today I want to talk to you something about very special. Something that surrounds us every day yet we often forgot to appreciate. Yes, it is plants. Plants are like a green treasure chest of our planet. They are the reason we can breathe fresh air because they take bad air, the carbon dioxide, and give out good air, the oxygen, which we need to live. Can you imagine? They are the nature air purifier.
A medicinal plant is one that possesses medicinal properties that can cure ailments since ancient times. All herbs and plants have played a vital role in treating diseases without any side effect.
Plants are also the protectors of our planet. They hold their soil with their roots and prevent it washing away. During rains, this process is called soil erosion. If there were no plants, our land would become barren and dry, leading to deserts. Lastly, plants are the ultimate homes and food stores for many animals, insects. From the smallest ant to the biggest elephant, many creatures depend on plants for their survival.
Cultivated plants are not just decoration. They are the life givers, the protectors, and the sustainers of the planet. Today, to respect them, care for them, and for them grow. After all, our lives depend on them too. Thank you.